So before starting the video, make sure to go to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you get the video whenever I upload a new video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to unlock a zip file. There are two types, one is normal extract protection and 4-digit password protection. In this I'll show you all two types, and thanks for your love and support guys. So let's get started soon and make us reach 300 subs. So the first step is that open your phone, then open the file manager of your phone. I'm using a stock Android phone so it becomes easier to extract a file. After opening the file app, tap on the download button and choose the file you need to extract and tap on the file. After that, click on extract and the process will begin and you will get the compressed file into normal format. And see, the original file is over here. So see how simple is it to extract a zip file. So this is file procedure 2, which is protected by a password. So first, the same step again, choose your required file and open the zip file and select extract to, and then select the file where you want to extract it. So I'll choose this one. And then press extract and add the password encrypted. So after that, your file is completed and you can view it in the compressed form.